Good morning. Excuse my little bantu knots. You know, I've been doing the thing. Okay, I've been doing the thing where I wrap my hair up every single night. I've been consistently doing this for a few days now. So excuse my little bantu knots. I just woke up. Yeah, so I guess I'm gonna do a what do I eat on my feast day video. Yesterday I fasted. It went pretty well. I didn't start feeling like the hunger pains until like towards the end of the evening, which is good. We like to feel those pains. Well, we don't like to feel those pains, but we prefer to feel them towards the end of the day and not like midday. You know, now I'm just ready to refuel. I'm gonna stick to my regulars, okay? Stick to my eggs and my coffee and I don't know why I keep having like this dark spot right here. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's from the bonnet I've been wearing. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna start off with some eggs and some coffee, and I guess the main thing I really wanna focus on is fiber. I don't think that I'm getting enough fiber in my diet. So today we're gonna focus on getting enough fiber while also, you know, satiating myself with proper foods and enjoying my day to eat. The crazy part is that when I'm fasting, I'm like, oh, okay, I'm excited to go eat this, that, and the third. But then once it comes to the actual day I'm supposed to eat, like I really don't have too many cravings outside of wanting my cup of coffee and my 2 eggs. Like, that'd be the one thing I really truly look forward to every single day that I break my fast, is just having my coffee and my eggs. I don't know what it is about that, but I'll try to get some cinematic footages of me cooking my food. We'll see. It is currently 7:46 a.m. So I'm up a little bit earlier than I normally am. Usually I'm up around somewhere between like 8:30 and 11, sometimes 12. But today we're up a little bit early, probably because them hunger pains started hitting me real crazy. Coffee is so good. That's the one thing I really miss whenever I'm pregnant, is coffee. That was tasty, but to be honest, I'm not fully satiated yet. And the last thing you want to do is undereat. on your feast days if you're doing alternate day fasting, because that's how you end up with hair loss, weakness, fainting, stuff like that. So I'm gonna make myself 2 sausages, and then I should call it a morning. Okay, I think I'll call it a morning after my 2 sausages. Go from there and probably, get ready, take my hair down, do a little makeup, a little zhuzhing of the face. It's really cloudy today, so I don't really see myself leaving the house. I mean, if it clears up a little bit, then maybe I'll leave out to go run like an errand or two. But other than that, I think today is gonna be a very chill day. I have so many videos I need to edit, and now I'm adding another video on top, this Get Ready With Me. I have so many videos to edit, and then we have the live stream tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all that done. Try to edit as many of the videos I have stockpiled as possible and get those out so I can clear my inventory and start releasing like my newer videos. Working, and then working some more. So I wanted to start doing my own nails because let's be so for real, nail appointments are getting crazy expensive. So I ended up picking up these different styles. I got these 2 online, and then when me and baby girl went on our mommy-daughter trip to Target, she actually grabbed these and put them in the cart. So I was like, okay, these are cute. I am going to the beach, so I'm trying to figure out which pair I should put on for the beach. I'm thinking one of these 2. I'm thinking one of these, maybe this one, because this is kind of giving beach waves, beach, crashing along the beach shore. I'm probably going to do a video trying these out and seeing how I like them. I'm going to start doing my own little press-on nails. I do have to get some gloves for when I'm washing dishes, because the last thing I want to do is spend a bunch of time putting these on as perfect as possible, only for them to pop off because my hands are in water like a lot. So making more effort, putting more effort into myself, get my eyebrows done next week. And sometime next week, I also want to go get a pedicure. I'm not going to do my own feet now. I'll do my hands, but I'm not doing my own feet now. It's just too much. Last time I tried to do my own feet, I ended up getting an ingrown nail. So we're not doing that. We are in full swing towards becoming that feminine, soft, take care of yourself, love yourself. When people see you, they know you love yourself because of how well you're put together. We're taking baby steps toward her. And this is just another one of those steps. And I think I'm gonna go with these. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with these. All right, y'all. So it is about 12:38. As you can see, I still haven't taken my hair down. I've been editing videos like crazy. Okay, I've been just editing. But I'm about to give myself a little snack. I got these from my Sam's Club, and they taste pretty okay. Like, they're not the best thing since sliced bread, but they taste pretty okay. And I am going to do the serving size. So the serving size on this is 12 crackers. So that's exactly what I'm going to grab, 12 crackers. And I like this because, it's made out of avocado. So that's gonna have some of that healthy fat. Yeah, it's gonna have some of that healthy fat that I'm looking for. And then also it has like 2 grams of protein. Not too much on the fiber, so but it's just a different snack. Something instead of having like chips or something even more fattening. So yeah, they're decent. I'm ready for another snack. And I'm gonna go ahead and eat this hummus that I got from Sam's Club, but I'm gonna eat it with some celery, okay? So this will be a good snack. Hopefully the celery will give me a decent amount of fiber. Celery doesn't have that much fiber, but I guess like it kind of does depending on how much you eat. So like 2 sticks is a serving, but it's only like 15 calories. It's gonna give you 1 gram of dietary fiber. So if I eat like 6 of these, then I get a decent amount of fiber in that. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. And then I mean the hummus has fiber too, so. Since I had all that fiber, I'm gonna treat myself with the other half of this brownie. I had got 2 free brownies. Now I gave one to Justin, the other one I kept, and I cut it in half, and you wanna know why? This thing says, how many calories? 430 for a single brownie. I was like, ain't no way. Ain't no way I'm about to eat a whole meal's worth of calories in a brownie. So I cut it in half, and this is the other half. Because I just ate a bunch of fiber, this is the best time for me to eat this dessert. If you're gonna eat a dessert, make sure you eat a bunch of fiber right before that. The fiber will kind of help it go through your system a little bit better so you don't have like an insulin spike. So I'm gonna enjoy this little brownie, and yeah. Actually, the next day, hey Bella, say hi. So it's actually the next day. I ended my night with a body armor, one of the large ones, just because I want to make sure I have enough hydration for my breast milk production. If you guys don't know, I had a son in January. So I ended my night with that. That's what I eat in a day for a feast day. I tend to eat a lot of the same things over and over again. It just is what it is. It makes it a lot simpler. That way I'm not thinking too hard about it. The only thing I might switch up is dinner. That's the only thing that I might switch up a little bit. So that's what I eat in a day. Today is a fast day. It's already like 4:30. So I wanted to make sure I did like some kind of outro for my what I eat in a day. If there's other content that you're interested in seeing, just let me know. I have a Discord server. The link will be in the description. But for now, deuces.